If you're feeling mentally exhausted, emotionally drained, or just want to take better care of your mind, these series are for you. Welcome to Your Mental Health Matters, where we're breaking mental wellness into real, doable steps. With these 12-week series bundle, you'll get practical tools, calming habits, and life-changing tips, all built for everyday life. Each week focuses on one powerful theme, from mental clarity and stress relief to sleep, self-worth, and setting boundaries. No fluff, just real help that fits into real life. Stick with us, and by the end, you'll have a complete toolkit to protect your peace, sharpen your mind, and feel better, inside and out. Subscribe, grab your free PDF workbook. To receive your free PDF worksheets, please request it by following this link below. And let's begin. Week 1. Everyday mental clarity. Tweak your morning routine by waking up at the same time daily. It boosts mental clarity. Drink more water to support better brain function and mood stability. List 3 new things you're grateful for. It rewires your brain for positivity. Do a quick mental check-in each day to catch stress before it builds up. Take a 10-minute break when overwhelmed. It resets your nervous system. Create a calming evening ritual to help your brain wind down. Practice being present during meals or conversations to reduce anxiety. Small shifts in your daily routine can lead to a clearer, calmer mindset. With these simple practices, you're creating space for focus, presence, and peace, starting from the moment you wake up every day. Week 2. Managing stress and anxiety. Ground yourself by saying 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 3 times. It brings you back to the moment. Break the overthinking loop by writing worries down. It gives your brain relief, thus discarding them. Try saying 478, then 874 while taking long breaths to calm anxiety fast and regulate your heartbeat. Notice signs like jaw clenching. They're early red flags of hidden anxiety. Block mini breaks in your calendar. It lowers stress and boosts focus. Avoid screens first thing. It keeps cortisol spikes and anxiety in check. Do a quick stress audit to identify what's actually in your control. Stress and anxiety don't have to control your day. These tools help you catch overwhelm early, reset your system, and build habits that support a more balanced emotional life. Week 3. Mental health at work. Watch for signs of burnout like brain fog or emotional detachment. Set boundaries like no emails after 6 p.m. It protects your mental load. Start work with a task you enjoy to build energy and momentum. Take short mental health breaks. They reduce fatigue and improve output. Let go of guilt. Rest is not a reward, it's a requirement. Use a 25-minute work sprint to stay focused without feeling drained. If your current work harms your mental health, it may be time to move on. And that's okay, really. Work can be a major source of stress, but it doesn't have to drain your mental energy. These tips are here to help you stay productive and protect your peace, one boundary at a time. Week 4. Boundaries and relationships. Say no without over-explaining. Your peace is a valid reason. Step back from draining people to protect your energy. Limit calls or visits when family stress becomes overwhelming. Watch for friendship red flags like one-sided effort. Rebuild trust by being consistent, not perfect. Set emotional boundaries like, I'm not ready to talk about that right now. End toxic connections kindly. You don't need to be a villain to walk away. Protecting your peace often starts with the people around you. Boundaries are not selfish. They're necessary. Use these tools to strengthen your relationships without losing yourself. Week 5. Self-care that heals. Skip the bubble bath. Real self-care means meeting your actual needs. Build a 5-minute routine with one thing that brings you peace. Choose rest over hustle on low-energy days. It's healing, not lazy. Eat whole foods that fuel your mood and focus. Listen to music that reflects or shifts your emotions. Pick one joyful thing daily to reflect on. Even 5 minutes counts. Remember, self-care isn't selfish, it's survival. Real self-care is less about luxury and more about honesty. By tuning in to what your mind and body truly need, you're building a routine that heals you, not just distracts you. Week 6. Sleep and mental health. Keep the same sleep-wake time. Your brain craves rhythm. Calm racing thoughts with journaling before bed. Reduce screen time and alcohol consumption at night to ease anxiety and insomnia. Try a warm shower and/or light reading to signal sleep time. Fix morning fatigue by checking hydration and light exposure. Take 20-minute power naps to recharge without grogginess. Give yourself permission to rest. Guilt-free sleep is healing sleep. Better sleep can transform your mood, focus, and resilience. With the right habits, your nights can become a powerful foundation for healthier days. Week 7. Talking about mental health. Open up by starting small. "I've been feeling off lately," is enough. When someone's struggling, just say, "I'm here if you want to talk." Support without overgiving. You can care without carrying it all on your shoulders. Try therapy even before you think you need it. Talking to a pro is a strength, not a weakness. Start mental health chats at home to make it a norm, not a crisis. Remind yourself, vulnerability is courage in action. Choose friends who make you feel safe by being honest. Conversations about mental health create space for healing, in yourself and others. Speaking up is an act of strength, and listening deeply is a powerful way to support someone else. Week 8. Confidence, growth, and self-talk. Catch your negative inner voice and rephrase with kindness. Stop the scroll. Confidence grows when you stop comparing. Build belief in yourself by keeping small promises daily. Step out of your comfort zone in low-stakes ways. It builds strength. Name imposter thoughts when they come up. They're lies, not facts. Trust yourself by reflecting on how far you've already come. Take up space. Your voice and presence matter. How you talk to yourself matters. These tools help shift your inner voice from critical to kind, so you can grow, heal, and finally believe you're enough. Week 9. Managing moods and energy. Track your mood daily to spot hidden patterns. Boost natural energy with movement, sunlight, and hydration. If you feel numb, pause. It's a sign your brain is protecting you. When emotions swing fast, breathe first, react second. Use music, movement, or a walk to lift low motivation days. Ask yourself, what do I need right now? Then actually listen. Rest doesn't always mean sleep. Sometimes it's an emotional space. Moods are messages, not flaws. By tuning in, tracking your patterns, and giving yourself what you need, you'll gain more emotional balance and energy you can trust. Week 10. Digital life and mental health. Limit social media time. Your mood will thank you. Set phone-free hours to protect your mental clarity. Take a weekend tech break to reconnect with real life. Stop the scroll. Online comparison drains your peace. Turn off notifications to reclaim your attention. Start your day without screens. It sets a calm tone. Plan offline moments daily, like going for a walk without your phone, to ground yourself in reality. Your digital habits shape your mental state. Creating healthy tech boundaries helps you stay present, reduce comparison, and reconnect with real-life joy. Week 11. Healing and recovery. Name your triggers. Awareness is the first step to healing. Rebuild after burnout by starting small and resting often. Be gentle with yourself. Setbacks are part of progress. Speak kindly to yourself during hard days. It helps more than you think. Let go of past mistakes. They don't define your future. Look for growth in the pain. Healing changes you for the better. Stay hopeful. Even slow healing is still healing. Healing isn't always linear. And that's okay. These tools offer gentle support for the tough moments, so you can move forward with hope, strength, and self-compassion. Week 12. Mental Health Tools for Life. Create a mental health kit with your go-to coping tools. Use journal prompts to check in and clear your mind. Bookmark free resources like this video you can turn to anytime. Try apps to track your mood, sleep, or habits. Decide if therapy or coaching fits your current needs. Build a personal peace plan for tough days. Schedule a monthly mental reset. Your mind needs maintenance too. You now have a mental health toolkit you can return to anytime. Keep using these strategies, adjust what works for you, and remember, mental wellness is something you build and rebuild every day. You made it through 12 weeks of powerful, practical mental health tools, and that's something to be proud of. Remember, mental wellness isn't a destination, it's a practice. And now you've got the habits, insights, and routines to support your mind every single day. If these series helped you, don't stop here. Revisit the tips, share them with someone who needs it, and keep showing up for yourself, even on the hard days. Be sure to download your free PDF workbook if you haven't done so yet. To receive your free PDF worksheets, please request it by following this link below. If you want more guidance, support, or encouragement, make sure you're subscribed to our channel for future updates. Your mental health matters, always. The content in this video is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial, investment, or legal advice. I am not a licensed financial advisor. Always do your own research and consult with a qualified professional before making any financial decisions. The views expressed are my own and based on personal experience or opinion. Use the information provided at your own risk.